First thing we're going to talk about is my weapon of choice. This right here, microphone. The microphone can be used for many things, for miking up your band, miking up your singers, miking up your instruments. You know, I got a mic on right now, but today I'm going to be showing you how to hold the mic to record your speech, to get your vocal on. So that's what we're going to talk about first off. Let me tell you what not to do when it comes to this mic and you're recording a speech. You know, especially rappers, they have a tendency to hold a mic like this, which is not a good thing when you're recording because you get a muffled and distorted sound. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you got the mic not covered and so that you get a full, clear sound. You want to hold it not too far away so you don't sound all echoed out and hollowed, and you don't want to hold it up too close so that you sound muffled and distorted. You want to keep a nice little distance right in front of you so that you get a full, clear sound. Second thing you want to do is make sure that your board, or 8-track, whatever you may be recording to, is all set, fine-tuned properly, and most important, make sure you got the mic on or you won't be getting a thing. Keep it at a nice distance. I say about an inch or two away from the mouth. Sometimes you may have to project your voice out, and you want to hold it at an angle so that you reach the soft spot. Every mic has a soft spot. If you hold it down here and you talk into it, you won't get that clarity. If you hold it over here or over here, so you want to make sure you got it at a distance and you're talking right into it, and that's how you get a good sound on the mic.